It's more than just a dance crew. More than just a group of artists and their hobbies. This is a calling. We're a family of misfits and dreamers who actually believe that we can make a difference in this world through our actions, our voices, and our God-given talents. We're looking for the lost ones. The ones that sense that there's something more out there. Dancers and artists who want to give back to causes that are much bigger than themselves. Artists who perceive that the whole is greater than the sum of its parts. Young leaders who choose character over pride, love over hate, purpose over pleasure, truth over lies, and courage over fear. We invite you to stand with us, to dream with us, to build with us, and to create with us. Because the movement has begun.